Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here. I am super excited today to go over a bed light kit that we have gotten from a company called Diode Dynamics. Big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. We'll have a few different reviews of a few different of their products, but today we will be working on the bed light kit. So this will go, there's 4 lights in here. They'll go on the inside of the bed. It makes it super bright. So we'll kind of just do a little bit of an unboxing here, and then I'll show you the actual finished product once it has been installed. So first thing you notice about this box is it's nice and thick quality. It's not like the stuff that you get from Amazon where it's real flimsy and stuff gets broken. You can tell just by the quality of the cardboard that this box is that it's good quality, that the company cares about its products and making sure they get delivered safely. Another really cool thing about this company is they're based in Missouri. It's a USA-based company. They've been around for a while and they have very good quality products. Like you can even see that this kit has an 8-year warranty, which is really unheard of in the industry. I don't know of many other lighting companies that offer such a good warranty. So it really shows you that they really care about their products. So we'll just kind of do a little unboxing here. You open it up, you can see you got your 4 lights in here. Once you take these out, you can see you have the wires for all of them. And then all the wiring and stuff you need. One thing that's really cool about these is if you look at the switch, you can see that there's like a 1 and a 2. So you can actually adjust the brightness. You can have them real bright or just like fairly bright, which is really cool. And all of this is really plug and play. We won't actually do an install in this video, but I will link an install that's set up the exact same way as this in this video itself. So if you are looking for the install, you can go there. If you're looking for just kind of a review of the product, if it works well, to make up your mind if you want to buy it or not, this is a great video for you. So these are really easy to install. It comes with everything that you need. It'll take maybe 30 minutes or so to install it. One thing that I think is really neat is it doesn't come with an instructions manual, but every product that they have, it comes with this QR code. So if you can't see, it just says 2024 Toyota Tacoma LED bed light kit. Scan the QR code for installation instructions. So you literally just scan this. It'll take you to a video if they have one, or a step-by-step guide as to how to install their products. So for people that aren't super handy like me, that comes in super handy to actually get these installed. So let me go ahead and get these installed, and then I'll show you the finished product. Whew. So I just got done installing the bed light kit, and it looks fantastic. I can't wait to show you. It looks super nice. Another cool thing about Diode Dynamics is they have really comfortable t-shirts. This was one that they sent me, Diode Dynamics. They also have hats and tons of other merch. It is a super comfortable, soft shirt, not like those real terrible, scratchy shirts. It fits really well. If you don't end up, getting any of their products, definitely at least check out the merch store. They do have plenty of stuff, and it's reasonably priced. It's not $35 for a t-shirt like some companies have. So let's get to it. Let me show you how much better the lighting looks in the bed of the truck. All right, so the bed lights are now installed. I'll just kind of show you how bright they are in the daytime. As you can see, they are significantly brighter than the factory ones. The factory ones don't even look like they're on. Each light has 4 LEDs. I'll also take a clip at nighttime so you'll really be able to tell a difference. But that is how bright it is in the daytime. You definitely can tell that it's on, that's for sure. So here is the brightness of the factory lights. Decently bright. You can see everything in the bed. This is just the factory lights, not the new lights. Alright, so the moment we all have been waiting for, let me go ahead and turn the bed lights on, which is actually controlled by this switch right there. And we can see how bright this actually is. It lights up the entire garage. This is massively bright. There's not 1 square inch of darkness on this bed. These lights are incredibly bright. You almost can't even tell the middle light is on, like the factory ones. It is so bright. Wow. Like, you can even see how bright it is. Like, here, I'll turn it off and I'll show you. This is off. This is how dark it is naturally right now. But you turn the light on. It lights up everything. This would be absolutely fantastic if you're loading anything at night. It is real bright. Wow. These lights from Diode Dynamics, they're impressive. They are much brighter than I was expecting. I mean, I was expecting them to be bright, but wow. These are probably the brightest bed lights I've ever seen. But this is great. This is fantastic. Wow. That's bright. If you're looking for some brighter bed lights, I highly recommend getting these. This is absolutely mind-bogglingly bright. Wow. That's great. As always, thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.